Hi, this is Ahmed from Avantgarde Software, and today I would like to demonstrate you my make.com template, which goes by the name Collaborative Time-Limited Document Share for documents stored in DocuWare that need to be shared with others on OneDrive. Okay, so this is a make.com template which enables you to create easily shares for external people. It will create automatically expiring document links to documents on OneDrive. The documents will be automatically synced from DocuWare to OneDrive, and also the changes made in OneDrive by others, by external people not using DocuWare, will be synced back to DocuWare. So you really have the revision and all the documents safely stored in DocuWare. And in my opinion, it is the best for collaborating on projects. And also it enables you to effortlessly integrate the solution into DocuWare without any need of changing your existing DocuWare system. So let's just quickly go through. I have here a file cabinet with two documents. One of it is a Word file. The second one is multiple documents here attached, and I want to change this one here later on. Okay. But before doing so, I need to share the documents. In order to do so, I use the share by email function, copy out the links. And you see here, I have just prepared a new email here. I just have to put the links into this one here, into the email body. The template or make.com will completely ignore the signatures, which is not relevant for us. And now the most interesting part is actually the subject, because you have to determine how long the share should be valid. Okay, and I go by 30 days. So I want to have this document shared for the public for just only 30 days. So after this, the link will get expired and no one will have access to it. And I have to send this email to a specified or to a specific make.com email address, which is delivered to you by the template or the scenario. So I just go ahead and click on save. Now, on the other hand, make.com or this scenario, this template, we'll just download the documents from DocuWare. We'll upload it to OneDrive automatically for you. We'll create the shares and also we'll distribute you an email, right? And here's the email which we receive. And you see here that this share was created successfully. Here is an anonymous link which can be accessed by anyone. You don't have to log in in order to reach this or open up this link here. And the share will be valid for 30 days and will expire automatically on this date here. Okay. And if I now click on this link, I have all the benefits which are delivered by OneDrive to me. I can just edit Word documents right in my browser. And this is something what also other users, external users, can also do, right? And let's go here and update this one here a little bit. Sepp Meyer will, let's say, develop make.com templates. Okay, and it's also being stored automatically. Just waiting for it saved. Okay, I can just close this one. I go to the next document here. And just for demonstration purposes, I enter here some dummy text, waiting for it to save. Okay, it's already saved. Now the changes are not synced back currently because we have to slightly modify our scenario, our template. So it consists of actually two scenarios. So the first one is responsible for transferring the documents from DocuWare to OneDrive, right? And the second one here is to sync the changes back from OneDrive to DocuWare. Okay, and now I just go back to my stage 2 scenario, and I just have to define the folder which should be watched. It is really pretty easy, by the way. You don't have to touch anything on the DocuWare side. And click here on OK. And if I would have these scheduled active, it would check every 15 minutes for changes here. But for the time being, I just want to run this scenario here only once. And you see it could find two document changes here, and it will now go ahead and update the documents accordingly, right? And if I open up this contract here, you see that my changes are synced back, also here. And here on the second page, I can also see my changes here, right? This is, in my opinion, one of the easiest ways to share documents with others in order for having collaborative work enabled. And just to sum up everything, you don't have to program or customize anything in DocuWare. It is fully customizable in your make.com environment, so you can also customize the whole email which is sent out. There's no extra license required. It has an ultra-fast setup for you in 5 minutes, and is fully compatible with the DocuWare Cloud, so with your DocuWare Cloud. And really, it works out of the box, as you could see. And if you're interested in more or want to have more details on it, just please reach out to me, either on my LinkedIn profile, or just go to our website, which is avantgarde-software.com. See you then. Bye-bye.